Go on everybody, this is your boy Rome. Welcome back to the channel. You guys are watching the fourth official, that place and the only place you can get that Jamaican American experience on football with a heavy bias towards Manchester United. Make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe if you're new. Without any further ado, referee, blow the whistle, let's go! And first we'd like to say big up to the Reggae Boys for winning the first game in the Gold Cup yesterday. Big man, it was a very good game. Bobby Reed, great goal. Shamar Nicholson, great goal. Looking forward to the rest of the competition. The next game is on Friday. Looking forward to that. Excited about the Reggae Boys' prospects of actually winning the Gold Cup this year. But people, that's not why we're here today, is it? As you man can tell in the thumbnail, we're here to talk about that man, Ravel Morrison. And how there is a possible ray of light for Ravel Morrison at the end of this dark tunnel. We all know that Ravel Morrison is not with the Jamaican squad right now, and due to the lack of communication from the JFF, we are all left to assume that it is because of visa issues not giving entry to the United States why Ravel is not with the team right now. However, as you guys know, the fourth official is a Manchester United man. So the fourth official follow Manchester United through and through every news that comes through to Manchester United. And I was following one particular player from Manchester United, Teddy Mengi, who will be going to Derby County on loan this season, only to find out that Ravel Morrison is now training with Derby County. Now, if you know anything about the championship, Wayne Rooney, a former Manchester United player, is coaching Derby County. And so Wayne Rooney has given Ravel Morrison the opportunity to train with Derby County. And the reports are saying that that's exactly what he's doing, just training. But I feel that there's a lot more to be had from this whole idea of Ravel Morrison training with Derby County. It works perfectly for everyone. We as Reggae Boys fans now know that Ravel Morrison is not just sitting at home twiddling his thumbs, but he's actually training with a team. He's actually training with a squad, a championship team that has ambitions and want to go places. That's number one. And the biggest point of this whole idea of Ravel Morrison training with Derby County is that what you guys might not know is that Derby County currently has a lot of problems, a lot of issues going on within the club. They narrowly escaped relegation last season, and they are about to get punished for some underhand, behind the book stuff that they did a couple of years ago. And right now they're at a salary cap in which they cannot sign any new players. So they can't go out and pay anyone any exorbitant fees to get in new players. The only thing they can do is sign free agents and also get people on loan. So Wayne Rooney is between a rock and a hard place right now, which is why he's looking for loan moves all over England. He's bringing in Teddy Mengi. Right now they have Phil Jagielka. Yeah. Almost 40-year-old Phil Jagielka training with Derby County, and Ravel Morrison is down there training with them right now. So I do believe if Ravel Morrison goes down to Derby County, plays well, shows what he can do, as we all know that he can do, then Derby County might just put him on for a year. And if Ravel Morrison is playing at Derby County for a year, playing under someone who played with him as a youngster at Manchester United, really knows the potential that he has. If he's able to get into that Derby team and play, that can only bode well for us as Reggae Boys fans if Ravel Morrison is playing consistently. And I hope, as someone who wants the best for Ravel Morrison, I hope he's able to stamp his class at Derby County, become a player that he can stay 2-3 years at Derby County playing good football, which can only do well for us. The only issue I have with this whole situation with Ravel Morrison, and I've said it before and I'll say it again, let's not kid ourselves, people. The most important games we will have in this World Cup qualifiers moving forward, Ravel Morrison will not be a part of it. Because let's be honest, if he can't get a visa into the United States now, he will not get a visa into the United States 3 months from now. World Cup qualifiers start in September, fam. Ravel Morrison will not be able to play in the World Cup qualifiers from against USA. That any World Cup qualifier that's scheduled in the USA, Ravel Morrison will not be able to play. it's sad, but it's a sad truth that we all have to face. However, big news, breaking news, Ravel Morrison will definitely be a part of Derby County's training camp at the moment. We don't know how far it will go, we don't know where he'll end up, but we're looking forward to that. Looking forward to it big time. Looking forward to it big time. Make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe if you're new. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is your boy Rome. You guys have been awesome. Bless up yourself, bless up others. Manaz.